Hello. Today on the channel, we're going to be talking about slide sorter. And if you're old enough to remember, this is the original concept of slides. You had 35 millimeter film that you put into a carousel and you could sort your slides manually. But we're going to talk about it from a PowerPoint perspective. It is located in Edit View. And you remember that video we did on Edit View. This is thumbnail view. We'll go to slide sorter down here at the bottom. See all of our slides, and we have 12 slides. And if you notice, all of them are just about white background. We've got a few that are numbered, but with slide sorter, you can reorder them any way you want to. You can make a slide, and you make a slide hidden. And these are the options. You can cut a slide, copy it, paste it. You have two options. You can use the destination theme, whatever that is, or keep the source formatting. Let's just try that. Okay, here and here is the same. You can duplicate a slide. Let's do that right here on, say, maybe number 4. And I've got 2 number 4s. You can delete a slide. Let's delete this one. You can add a section. Okay, what it does, I guess it sets up the slides in a group. You can play with that some more. You can format the background. Let's look at some of these that we have not the background color. Let's do these two. Well, let's change these two that you can actually see. Let's make those some type of gradient. Let's go with, maybe a blue. And we'll change the direction of it, as you can see here. So that was formatting the background and then hiding. Let's hide the 2 number 4s. They're now hidden. Now that's all well and good, but the other power in the slide sorter view is that you can see your transitions. Say we wanted to do, let's do slides 1, 2, and 3. Let's select those 3. Let's go to animations. Well, I thought you could animate a group. Maybe you can't. Let's go to transitions. I know you can do transitions. Let's do them. Let's give them a 2-second delay. And you can see the delay here. So if we go back to the first slide, pressing F5, hit next, 2 seconds later, we should see the next 2 slides. Well, 3 and 4 hidden. So let's group those, unhide them. Now it should go from slide sorter to 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe you can stop it at some point. Press F5. Next, there's 1, 2, 3, 5. It's probably going to stop because I don't think it has any timing on it. So that'll save you a little bit of time. Now, something different. Speaking of animation, you have to go to a slide to do the animation. Let's make that appear. Let's go to slide 3, and let's make that one float in. Go back to slide sorter, and you see these stars. If you click on the star, you really couldn't see it. You can see the transition. That one faded in or floated in. So if we go to slide 1, Press F5, go to next. Should have a 2-second delay. That's going to appear. That's going to float in. Then we go to 5 and it'll stop. So that's about it on transition. I mean, no, not transition, on slide sorter. You have items here. Okay, link to this slide. What is that option? I guess you could establish a link. Let's go full screen. That's not going to help us. Link to this slide. And as far as hiding, what I do a lot, I will have a lot of empty slides that I won't necessarily use, that I may need in the future or at the end. I'll just grab those and hide those. Another way you could do this is just move your ending slide in front of those hidden slides. It really is up to you, but there's lots of versatility. You also have a zoom in, zoom out bar here where you can show the slides smaller. And it's just, okay. Or you can just hold the control key down and scroll your ball or your wheel on your mouse. And you'll notice the hidden slides are a little faded compared to the others. Look at this versus that one. If you unhide it, go back. You unhide it, notice how it's darker compared to this one, which is the same one. So that's about it for slide sorter. You can copy, delete, format, do transitions as a group and individually, of course. You have to do animations one at a time because that's on the object in each slide, so you really can't do that as a group. You can look at the objects, you can look at the transitions and the timings in slide sorter, which really makes it nice to try to figure out quickly how much time do I have allotted. Okay, if I want to increase this one, I would increase that one. Let's click on that slide, go to transition, make it 4 seconds. Let's say 4 seconds. Go back to slide sorter. Now you got 4 seconds on this one, then 2 and 2, and these two have transitions. So that's it. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please let me hear from you. And happy PowerPointing.